Alright traders, welcome back to my channel, this CJ Profit FX. Please, if this is your first time coming across to my channel, do well to click the subscription button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be getting notified anytime I draw videos like this. Okay, today I want us to discuss one of the trap uh, in SMC that you traders should avoid. And if you've been doing this for a long, please try as much as you can to avoid it, because it will always stop you out anytime you want to make a decision in the market, whether to buy or to sell. So as an SMC trader, most especially the AMD traders, those that trade AMD strategy, I know you've been following my videos and you see how I analyze market using AMD. So if you are one of them, please pay attention to this video and watch it to the end. Please, if this is your first time coming across my video, do well to click the subscription button, turn on your bell so you get notified anytime I draw videos like this. Okay, on my screen you can see the structure I have as an AMD, and you guys know how I've been using this AMD to trade, and you guys know how I make use of this AMD strategy. If you don't know it, I have a video that you should go and watch on my playlist, but uh, I'll give you guys a little refresh up so you guys will get how this AMD strategy work. So in AMD strategy we'll have what we call the accumulation phase, where the market seems to be ranging. Okay, all of a sudden we'll have a push up to to the upside or to the downside. Let's say we'll have to the upside like this, then we'll have a manipulation to the downside. So the essence of this is just to take out liquidity around here and also take liquidity up here. So this is how the structure should look like. Then you make this protected high as your point of interest, where the market will give you a pullback. This is an incomplete pullback before the sell, and the next pullback should mitigate your entering point as the market sell. Remember guys, I told you guys that this incomplete pullback is an inducement. Most traders do make decisions around here, and that's the reason why I want to teach you guys this particular topic. Those of you that always make decision of shorting the market at the incomplete pullback should stop it today and now, because you trying to enter at the incomplete pullback seems to be that you are making an impulsive decision in the market, which is unnecessary. It is not done anywhere. Okay, don't be carried out with what you are seeing, the dump or the pump you are seeing in the market. Always be patient and stick to your trading plan, and you see yourself winning in the market. So this area is an incomplete pullback, which we call an inducement. For those of you that doesn't know about inducement seems to be a trap. What makes you make a decision when you're not meant to, or what attracts you into the market. Okay, so in SMC we teach you guys how to avoid all these mistakes. So that is it. So now this is how the structure look like when I'm trading AMD. Now let me go and show you from what I have on my chart. Okay, pay good attention. Okay, okay, here I have this structure now. If you check, the market have been in an uptrend. From here the market have been in an uptrend. Okay, remember this is a day time frame. I'm just using a day time frame to get the structure before I will go to a lower time frame. Now in this day time frame we have a rally this side, and the market started accumulating at this point. Okay, I will go to 4 hours so you guys will see the accumulation. This area seems to be the accumulation phase of this whole structure, and in the accumulation phase we will wait for a break up or a breakdown from the ranging. Now if you go to 4 hours time frame, you notice there is a good sorry there is there is a structure, or there is a ranging market at that peak. So at this point we'll have this area as a ranging, which is the accumulation phase, and in that accumulation phase we'll now have a breakout to the upside. This breakout is telling us that the market have violated the structure, and after the breakout, market created this area as a protected point. After creating this area as a protected point, it sold. Okay, at this point, we've gotten our AMD strategy, which is the accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. So remember how I taught you guys this. I said in the accumulation phase, the market must take out this phase because this is area in which people have been making a short decision whereby it maintain only support and resistance. So at this point, the market broke the ranging and created a protected high. At that protected high, I told you guys that protected high must be your point of interest, which means you are made to enter the market at this area. Don't have any other area to make decision. Any decision you are making around here is an impulsive decision, and there's a high chance that the market will stop you out because you fail to follow the market, um to follow or to be disciplined. You fail to be disciplined. Okay, so this your protected point is where you should be targeting, and if you check, that's the area I'm targeting. Now, this is the mistake I told you guys to avoid. You see anything, maybe any if you see anything that look pretty or look neat that will make you to enter the market here, I will tell you to stop. I will tell you to stop because this area is very dangerous. You can see some traders can take the two like this and give us something like this and be like, let's short the market from here. The truth there is that the market will respect you for a while, and you see how pretty it's moving. I wanted to enter here before, but this is not my strategy. I tried to give to keep off. So I noticed entering here can give you a high expectation whereby you're trying to take profit around here, your stop loss here. There's a high probability that the market will give you profit like this and you will not take it, and it will reverse back to the upside. It will reverse back to take entry here before it sell. Okay, take entry before selling. So in order to be in a safer side, always know the area the market will react, although it's reacted to this area because this is a liquidity zone. So what you should be expecting in the market is now something like this. You should expect the market to move down maybe little bit and then move up, take entry, and then sell. Sorry, I'm coming. Take entry at this spot and sell. As simple as ABCD. So don't make an impulsive move trying to enter the market at this area. It's very, very bad. Unless you don't know how to trade this AMD. If you don't know how to trade it, you bet not even AMD, this SMC in general. Okay, this area is an inducement area. That's why you see me wrote inducement here. Okay, this is an inducement area close to your point of interest. This is a trap the market set for you so you can make an impulsive decision when once they notice you people have entered much here, the market will reverse and then take them out. Pick entry at the main point of interest and sell. This is a simple mistake you should avoid. Let me go back to the date time frame. So guys, it's very, very simple and it's something you should learn by now. Making entry at an inducement area is not necessary unless you're a scalper. Maybe um you want to take advantage of the little movement. But I want to teach you guys this. Before you make a decision in the market, I taught you guys about the three setups we have in crypto or forex general. So far as technical analysis is concerned, we have the first setup which we call a continuation setup strategy, and we have, let me type, we have a continuation trading strategy or trading setup. This is a continuation trading setup and sorry, and we have reversal trading setup. Sorry, what am I even typing? Hey, CJ, you don't know what you did do again. We have reversal. So I'm typing reversal trading setup. I don't do reversal trading setup, and also we'll have counter trading setup. We have hi, sorry. Have counter trading setup. These are the three types of setup we have. Anytime you are trading a continuation, anytime you are trading a continuation, stick to your continuation. This is when the market is creating something of this nature. Okay, give you notice this is an uptrend, and if the market should come down to make entry, you already know that okay, this is another block, you'll be entering around here. So this is a continuation because the market is already in an uptrend. At that point, you can be like, okay, let me buy from here. My stop loss somewhere here and my TP like this. So you're expecting the market to come and then pick entry like this and move. So we called a continuation trading setup, and then we have a reversal. This particular AMD strategy now is a reversal because the market is an uptrend, and you notice that once the market pick entry here, it will form double top and the market will reverse. That's what we call the reversal trading setup. Stick to it. Stop making an impulsive decision. And then we have the counter trading setup. The counter trading setup is when the market is in an uptrend. Just like as the market is in an uptrend here, the market is in an uptrend here. I notice that the trend is still valid and decided to take a little retracement that the market will give from here to this point before going up. So at that point, you might decide to sell the market from here to take little advantage of the sell. So where you keep your short position somewhere here and then target here. So to me, I'm not against any of the setup, but if you don't know how to make use of it, just keep off from the market and wait for your strategy. So that is it, guys. Don't make an impulsive decision because it's gonna hurt you much more than your expectation. So guys, this is how it is. So some traders, I know some traders have made a decision of selling the market from here, so you should avoid it. It's very, very risky, especially if you don't know how to take profit or if you don't know how to interpret what is going on in your chart. So just avoid this area, and as you can see, I'm patiently waiting for the market to come at this point so I can sell. That is it, guys. I hope you learned a lot. Please, if you learn anything from this video, drop your comment at the comment section. I remain your coach, the CJ Profit FX. Remember, your learning is my priority. I am here to educate the newbies and guide them on how to trade SMC. Thank you, guys. Tune on and then turn on notification bells so you get notified that I drop videos like this. Thank you. One love, guys.